Hi, I'm Ram Trainer Darryl Phillips. I've got 24 years of service with United Airlines, and I've been part of the training department for 7 years now. My coworkers call me Coach. I teach what's called PIV, Powered Industrial Vehicles. I teach the young men and women how to drive and operate the equipment here at United Airlines. I grew up around airplanes. My father is a retired mechanic for the Blue Angels. This is like a childhood dream here. Working here at the busiest airport is outstanding. That gives us bragging rights. The boarding pass is just one part of the operation. We also have men and women below the wing that make it happen. Our goal is to make sure that the passengers, the cargo, freight, and mail on that aircraft make it to the destination, and that's what I do. COVID did have an impact on us, especially when it came to meeting the needs of the customers. But we managed to keep the planes flying. Ramp servicemen is an essential part of making this operation happen. That's a good feeling. The best part of it is the relationships that I've made with the men and women out here. The community, the camaraderie that we have with one another is outstanding. That's what keeps me coming back.